Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of this channel.
And finally, we came to the last board, last but not least. This is the DIY Arduino board, like same as multi SC flight controller. The same thing, exactly the same thing. But in this board, you can find 9 DOF, but in this board, you can find only 6 DOF, which is a G5 GY521 sensor I have enabled with this board, Arduino mini board. So in this same thing, so these are the four motors I have given the connections, and this is the FTDI connections where we can upload our programs, or else doing configuration things or calibration things, which I can say. These are the receiver parts. Receiver in the sense, like I'll be connecting only four channels which I required, which is aileron, elevator, throttle, and rudder. So if you ask about what is the difference between multi-Y SC and this DIY flight controller, there is a lot of difference. If you compare with the stability wise, yes, this board will perform very good because it has a barrow thing, but it doesn't have any barrow. It will runs on IMU, so you will have a lot many drift in this board, but not in this. And for even in this board we have a compass, in this board we don't have. We can inbuilt it, we can add a sensor, and even in the future, yes, we'll be going to add in it. And how to make this board, yes, I will also teach this, like how to make a board. And you can see it, how we are soldered inside the board, the each and every connections. This has to be very careful. If there is some short, yes, the board can burn. And even if you compare the price wise, for this board, it came me for around 500 rupees, or even less than that. But for this board I need to give around more than 2500 rupees, because it supports a more thing as compared to this one. But still, when you do from the scratch, it will be better to understanding level. And even it will feel like, yes, I did something. So this is what I want to talk about in these videos. Just stay tuned. So in upcoming videos, we'll be talking about each and every individual things. If you have any type of doubts, please do comment. I will reply for the same. And if you have any doubts in it, please do reach me out. Yes.
Thank you for watching this video. Like it, comment it, share it. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the future videos.